Hey folks, back again. This is your old pal Uncle Al. And we got a few books to show you. Okay. Simple to use, simple to understand, simple to read. For many of you people have trouble out there, I'll put that in the box. And I got my notes and stuff over here, so. And then I'm trying to remember where I got this one, but I can't. I do tell everybody to find this book and read it. Okay? It deals with weights on a soldier's back and also mobility of a nation. People who resupply and support these guys. Now, today's soldier has about $28,000 of gear and equipment on him. All right, that's including training and skills and all that wonderful stuff on one soldier. It takes about 30 people to get this guy on the move to fight in the front lines. 30 people. And back then is another 200 to 1,000 people to transport and support them. All right, so you figured one person, 30 people, backed by transport and support of another 1,000, 2,000 people. And it goes on and on down the supply chain. Now, why do I tell people this? A lot of people bring up arguments about the go bag. Yeah, you don't carry everything in the kitchen sink. All right, simple as pie. All right, you want a go bag or go home bag or a bug out bag. Get out of your destination point, get your pertinent information that you need, and leave the building. The building is not going to be good if it's on toxic ash flow. You're burying in hot ash. You die from volcano fumes or hot lava. I have relatives in Hawaii, so we know what hot lava does to a house. Oh, we'll just bug in and watch the lava go by. No, you burn to death. Okay? Flooding, same thing. I experienced that. Lose your house in flooding. Lose your house in a fire. Wonderful. And start all over again. Okay? Now, to make your bug out bag a little easier and transportable, where did I write that down? Okay, you should have cachet. That's the American version. French people, we call it cache. Okay? In each cache section, you should have something one for shelter, simple. Okay, that's cache for shelter, which is a heavy-duty space blanket, not the little pocket ones, but the full-size space blankets, the real ones. Okay? Heavy-duty trash bags, contractor ones. Now, Gil from Camp Patton Family Compound knows what I'm talking about. And you want up top part and lower part, pants part, shirt part, and long sleeve both of thermals. Okay? All right, you want to have some kind of fire making cache. This is including materials. I always include matches, flint and steel, ferro rod, magnifying glass, and tinder, and probably charcloth. Another thing, if it's in a cold climate, I'll put in maybe a half pint of gasoline and a road flare. Guarantee you that will catch on fire. All right? You want a cache or cache of water, at least 10 gallons. By itself, hidden out there. Okay? Food, you want to pack one for either gathering food, which is fish line and hooks and weights and stuff, snare wire, simple traps, slingshots, slingshot, rubber band, and pocket. Now, that's your to collect food cache. Then you have your food cache. Do not put everything in one spot. Spread it out, make sure you know where it is, and make sure you have a spider hole nearby. A lot of people don't talk about spider holes. Spider holes is you jump in, instant cover, you disappear from this landscape, gone. Of course, if, like in World War II, you get discovered, They're going to open fire with a flamethrower and you're cooked in a spider hole. Today they'll throw in a grenade or something. But enough about that. Okay? Now, we'll go on to this later on because I have a whole list in my notebook. All right? And it'll tell you different caches to hide out stuff that lessen the pain on your back. Okay? And that also solves the problem on resupply. You got your stuff there. You know where it is. It's on your GPS. It's on your map. You can find it really quick. Okay, folks. I'll catch you later. I got to remember about this because I'm doing all of this in one shot tonight.